Hey everybody, this is Brian, and it is one of my favorite days of the year, the day that I go to unwrap my Musa Basjoo bananas in my backyard. Now, it's going to be a different time for everybody that you can actually do this, depending on your zone, depending on the weather in your area this year and what's happening. For me, I just watched the 10-day forecast, and I know the last freeze date for my area is April 6th. So looking at the 10-day forecast from today, that's going to get me to the last freeze date, and I don't have temperatures below 40 degrees. So at this point, I'm going to go ahead and unwrap them, and I'm super excited about that. Now, when you unwrap Musa Basjoos or other bananas, they're going to look pretty nasty. They're going to be soggy. They're going to be brown. You can see some green in them here, but they're not going to look great. Don't worry about it. They're in good shape. As long as you see that green and it feels solid, they're in great shape. Now, as I'm taking the wrapping off, there's no one right way to cut this, like a lot of things with plants and growing different plants and trees. You can do it 10 different ways and none of them are wrong. But there's a couple of things you want to be careful of. One, try to not cut into the plant as you're cutting off the tape and the plastic. Two, you also want to be really careful that you don't pull the plant down. Whether you're pulling on plastic and trying to get it off at the top, or if you're just moving around in the bananas and you grab onto one, you don't really want to use it for support. And just be really careful when you pull on it, because it doesn't take a ton of weight to break the stem or to pull the thing down to the ground. So just be careful when you're going in and cutting. Now here's a look with the wrappings off. I'm 6'3" in these shoes, and I've already got Musa Basjoos that are 10 feet tall, and it's March 26th. So I am super excited for this season to see how big I can actually get these things, starting off the end of March, and we've got them 10 feet tall already. So be sure to like and subscribe so that you can follow the journey. You can also learn other tips and tricks to get your bananas and other tropical and subtropical plants looking great in cold weather climates. Thanks and happy growing.